Parametric estimating is a method of estimating values for a project based on parameters. These parameters are calculated based on past data. The past data is used to estimate the requirement for current data by using both values in an equation. For example, if an employee is paid $30 per hour for a particular task, these allow you to estimate the cost of the task. If you know that it takes 10 hours to finish, then you will have to spend $300 on it. Like this, every task and its duration is identified and the final value will be calculated as estimate. So this is little about the estimate. So let's meet in the next chapter, which is project awarding. Please stay tuned because all these chapters are very related to one another.